You don't need a sales team or years of marketing experience to run cold email campaigns that actually work. With Woodpecker, it's as easy as hitting send. It's a sales automation platform for cold email and LinkedIn outreach, and you wouldn't believe the results people are getting. More replies, more meetings, more genuine conversations, not spam. Sales reps, founders, recruiters, everyone is using Woodpecker to reach out automatically while still sounding completely human. Just one platform. It's easier than many think. I buy domains and emails with all technical reports pre-configured. Then create a campaign where I can drop in my message. From there, it becomes a full outreach sequence right away. Plus, I can add LinkedIn tasks to boost results even more. You can add prospects from a database of over 1 billion contacts. And here it is. Everything is planned, structured, and ready to send. Pretty cool, but I want to make it even smarter. So I integrate the tools I already use. Clay, Calendly, HubSpot, making the data flow smooth and speeding up the whole process. And that's it. Just come up with your message, any message, and Woodpecker will do the rest. Go to Woodpecker.co and start sending with a tool that has everything you need in one place.